How do I create a playlist? Sonia, how do I put my videos on playlists? Sonia, do creating a playlist on YouTube actually helps YouTube to recommend your videos? Sonia, what are the importance of playlists? Must every YouTuber create a playlist on YouTube? And if yes, why do they need to create a playlist? Reasons, thoughts. A lot of these questions bashing me front and back from my live stream and also from my video comments. In today's video, I decided to address one of the major issues, which is how to create a playlist on YouTube. You're not only going to learn how to create a playlist, you're also going to know how to put your new videos and even your old videos on playlists. So take, for example, you're already on YouTube and you've not created playlist at all, and you have a lot of videos. I will show you how to create it and then put those old videos. And then in your subsequent upload, I will also show you a detailed tutorial analysis, how you can actually go ahead and put those videos into your playlist before uploading.
It's by Sonia.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe with Sonia and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do what to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. The first question is, why do I need a playlist? Okay, let me tell you what playlist does for your video. Playlist helps your video to get recommended out there. Yes, playlist cannot give your video that 100% viral video that you are thinking of, but playlist can help recommend your videos for your viewers to watch in as much as you're watching one video in that particular person's channel. Another thing that playlists do for you is when a viewer gets to play your video directly from your playlist, it will enable that viewer to stick right in between your videos without moving from one videos to another. Another thing that playlist can do for you is for those people looking for watch hour, you can also stream your playlist during your watch hour videos during the period of you trying to get your watch hour. You can tell people to like stream your playlist for you, and when people get to stream your playlist for you, you can also get to generate your watch hour. Okay, if I'm a viewer and I enter your channel and I get to watch videos directly from your channel, and then you get to link a playlist in the description, it will be a great opportunity for me to see it either in the description or in the card or in the cards or in the end screen on how I can actually go further more in your videos. Okay, so yes, do playlists help YouTube to recommend your videos? Yes, playlists do help YouTube to recommend your videos. If I knew this thing all this while when I started YouTube, especially afresh, I would have been putting all of this into work, because I didn't know, and I recently started putting them into work, and I've been seeing a huge, massive difference in my channel. And I believe you as a new YouTuber will not be able to do that same mistake that I've already done. So if you watch this video, start creating your playlist right now. Recommend to you is, if you are this kind of person that share your videos to other social media platforms like your Facebook and every other place, I advise you to share your playlist. Yes, because when you share your playlist and people get to stream directly from your playlist, it will help them to stay right in your video. With all of that being said, let's just get into creating a playlist. So now my screen record is all started and we're going to head straight into my YouTube channel, okay? When we head straight into my YouTube channel, I'm going to be using this particular channel here. So this particular channel, I'll use it to create playlists. So once you get into your YouTube studio, you know you're going to go to your home and then you're going to be seeing videos that are recommended for you to watch and the rest of that. But that is not the one we are looking for right now, okay? So if you want to create a playlist, go back to your home page and then you are going to see your picture up there. You're going to see switch accounts. You're going to see any videos that you've watched from your history. And then you're going to see playlists, which is this place you're seeing playlist. So the first thing you need to do is to click on the playlist. Once you click on the playlist, if you check beneath it, it's going to tell you create new playlist, okay? So you're going to create new playlist. So this will pop up as the videos that you've been watching directly from any of your homepage that you've been watching. But ignore all of that and go to this place that is next. Click on next and then give the playlist the title. So take, for example, the title of this playlist is my live stream video, for example. My live stream videos. Okay, so make sure that after putting my live stream video, you're also going to put what? Make the playlist to be what? To be public. It is very important for you to put the playlist public, not to put the playlist private. And then you're just going to go ahead and create the playlist, okay? You are going to see it once you just refresh. You can see my live stream playlist. So since my live stream playlist is here, if you want to put a video directly during the time of creating your videos, the first thing you need to do is to go directly to where you're going to upload your video. And let me say, for example, I want to upload a video and I want to upload this video of mine, okay? I want to upload this video of mine. I'm going to just go ahead and click on next. Once I click on next, I'm going to be putting description, I'm going to be putting title, and you can see here add to playlist. So if I click on add to play, you can see that my live stream, because this is the only playlist that I have, it will just pop up. But if you have up to 10, 50 playlists on your this thing, on your playlist list, it is all going to pop up. So this is just the only playlist that I just created. That is why you are seeing this. So I'll just go ahead and click like this, and you can see that during this, after your add description, public, location, you can see your playlist is already displaying there, and then you can go ahead and upload your videos. When you go ahead and upload your videos is definitely going to be in this playlist, and automatically your channel will detect that you already create a playlist. So if you're creating a vlog video, for example, you can put them in your vlog. If you're creating tutorial video, you can put them in your tutorial. Like when you come to my channel, if you click on my playlist, you're going to see how I categorize my videos, my vlogs, how much YouTube pay me videos, and every other playlist that you're going to see here. So this is the simplest way for you to create a playlist. If you want to create a new playlist, you can just go ahead and create a new playlist. You can create more than 10 to 20 playlist depending on what you want, but always do make sure to put your playlist in private so that people can actually stream your playlist for you, and then so that you can also have more playlists to deal with. You can see that once you create a playlist and refresh, everything is going to be here. So this one, now we are done knowing how to create a playlist. Now the question now is, if I have a video in my phone, how do I create the playlist? So let's start that one now. So if you have a video on your phone or on your video list already, what you just need to do is, let's start the screen record. Let's go here, and we're also going to do silent screen record. You have to move straight to your YouTube studio. So be it whichever YouTube studio that you want to use. If you want to use the app one, you can still do that using the app video, and you can still do that doing anything that you want to do. So this is my videos that are on my apps already. This is my short videos, and this is my live stream videos. So since this is my live stream videos now, yeah, I can say, okay, let me click on this. If I click on this, my live stream video, I will just go ahead and click on that's a pencil icon you are seeing there, and you're going to be seeing add to playlist there. Okay, if you see add to playlist there, you're just going to go ahead and add it to your playlist. So whichever playlist that you want to add it to, is it how much YouTube pay me, is it my thumbnail, is it all my TikTok video, is it poppo live stream, is it marriage life, any kind of playlist that you have in this category and you want to add it to, you're just going to go ahead and put it. So for you to be really convinced, I'm just going to go straight to my channel. I'm going to create a live stream playlist because I have not created that particular playlist, and I was waiting for this particular video before creating that playlist. So here am I on my channel, and I'm going to go ahead and create a new playlist. Okay, so I'll go here and then go to my playlist, and then what, I'm going to create a new playlist. Okay, so I'm just going to scroll down and create a new playlist. Once I click on create new playlist, I'm going to click on next, like I've always said, and I'm going to say my live stream videos. Okay, so if I click on my live stream videos, I'm going to make sure I put it public, and I'm going to do what, create. So since I've already created it, now the next thing that I'm supposed to do now is to go to my studio. And once I go to my studio, I'm going to just take them one after the other and put them into my playlist. So this is the first video that I have here on my live stream list. So since this is the first, I'm just going to click on this, and then I click this pencil icon as well. And then I go ahead, I add it to my playlist. So you can see my live stream video is out. I click on done. Okay, one is already there. So I go back again. No, please. You're going to click on save, please. So after clicking on done, then I go back again. When I go back again, I'm going to click on my second live stream video, and I'm going to just go ahead and do the same thing to them and add it to the playlist until you're able to get all your playlists into one particular playlist. So you are going to do this depending on the videos that you have on your playlist, on your channel, and depending on how you want to categorize your playlist. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and do that till I am done creating my playlist. I don't know if you guys understand all of this I am saying, But if you do, let me know in the comment section. And if you don't, let me know in the comment section. If you've already been creating playlists, also let me know. I would really love to know that. Okay, so this is the simplest way for you to create a playlist. Let's just go back to this video. My mic just went off, and these are some of the things that we suffer as YouTubers. So I just have to change to this mic. Okay, I've forgotten that I've not charged this mic for so long. Anyways, thank God I have another mic that I'll just pair with. Let me know the difference between the first mic and this particular wired mic. Let me know if you prefer the wireless or you prefer the one with the wire. Okay, anyways, if you've watched to this point of this video, let me know in the comment section if you already have existing videos in your channel but you don't know how to put them into the playlist and this video has been able to help you. Also, let me know in the comment section if this is the first time you're creating a playlist directly from scratch from this video, and I hope this video is help anyone out there. If it does, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with no further ado, I do like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys. I love you guys. Mwah.